Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to do a quick video of the trailer build that I'm currently in the middle of. This is what it looked like when we picked it up in Knoxville, Tennessee. Here we are headed back to Memphis on I-40. Got it back in the garage and quickly started tearing it down by removing the axle, the expanded metal on the deck. We took out all the old lights and wiring, remaining pieces of the fenders, sanded, primed, and painted the frame. Used regular wood decking, stained and sanded for the deck. This is a tie-down system by Mr. Gasket. I've got it on both rails. Very adjustable. This will be my battery box for all my equipment. Another view. Compact Camping Concepts provided the no-weld rack system for my rooftop tent. This will be my awning brackets on the driver's side of the trailer. Of course, I have the ditch lights on all four corners of the rack. Here we are with the rack painted, ready to go onto the trailer. And of course, rock lights. Everyone needs rock lights. Stay tuned for a full video walk around of the completed trailer.